Hello people, this is Guru and we are going to know the most important topics in all 10 sections of GATE, CS and IT syllabus. So there are most important topics in all 10 sections. The list is prepared according to the numbers of questions in previous year papers. This video is so useful for your GATE preparation, so please watch carefully till end. So let's start. First of all, we see mathematics because it has around 15% weightage in GATE exam. So, the most important topics from mathematics are: first one is matrix and determinant, second is eigenvalues, third is propositional logic and predicate logic, fourth is conditional probability, and fifth is relations. So please focus on these 5 topics to score more in GATE exam. Now we will see digital logic. It has around 5 to 6% weightage in the GATE exam. And the important topics from digital logic are combinational circuits, logic gates, number system, sequential circuits, and minimization of Boolean expressions. Last year, 7 marks questions were asked from logic gates, complement system, and Boolean algebra. So don't forget to revise these topics. Computer organization and architecture has around 9% weightage in the GATE exam. The questions are quite tricky in the subject, so there is a need of a lot of practice for different type of questions. And important topics from computer organization and architecture are cache organization, pipelining, input-output data transfer, addressing modes, and number representation. Questions from addressing modes, memory management, and pipelining are generally asked, having weightage of 3 to 4 marks. So there is a need of lot of practice for different types of questions. Programming and data structure is the core of the computer science, so the basics of programming and data structures must be cleared to you. It has around 10 to 11% weightage in the GATE exam. So, important topics from programming and data structures are recursive programs, stack, queue, trees, and graphs. Programming concepts must be revised properly, as in GATE 2019. Questions for 4 marks are covered from pointers, array, and function call. So please focus on these topics. Algorithms have around 8% weightage in the GATE exam. Along with studying algorithm techniques, also focus on the time and space complexity. Important topics from algorithm are algorithm analysis, sorting algorithms, heaps, graph algorithms, and divide and conquer and greedy algorithms. So please focus on this topic. The questions based on finding the time complexity of a given code are most likely to come. Also, topics like greedy algorithms and graphs are easy to score. Now we are on our next section, that is theory of computation. It has around 7 to 8% weightage in the GATE exam. So let's see the important topics from theory of computation are DFA, regular expressions, regular languages, closure properties and undecidability. Finite automata occupies approximately 50% of questions from the theory of computation, so it must be covered priorly. Compiler design. It has around 3% weightage in the GATE exam. So, students must cover the basic of all the topics as in compiler design. Each topic is linked to another topic. Important topics from compiler design are LR parsers, LL parsers, predictive parsers, minimum number of nodes and edges in DAG, and intermediate code generation and its purpose. You must cover parsing and all its techniques. At least one question comes every year from this topic. Now we are in our next section, that is operating system, and it has around 9% weightage in the GATE exam. So study the concepts thoroughly. However, there are higher chances for numerical questions to come from this subject. So let's see the important topics from operating systems. Then top 5 important topics are synchronization mechanism, concurrency in IPC environment, virtual memory, CPU scheduling algorithms, technique of memory management, and implementation issue of file system design. In GATE 2019, one question from demand paging, two questions from deadlock, and one question from disk scheduling were asked. So revise this topic properly. Our next section is database management system, and it has around 7 to 8% weightage in the GATE exam. So important topics from database are relational algebra, SQL queries, transactions, serializability, and normalizations. The maximum number of questions are generally asked from SQL queries, normalization, and relational database. Also, these are easy to score. Now we are in our last section, that is computer networks. It has around 7 to 8% weightage in the GATE exam. Although computer networks is a time-taking subject, as there are various protocol, numerical, algorithms, etc. So important topics from computer networks are sliding window protocol, TCP, UDP, IPv4, IPv6, Ethernet, encryption and decryption algorithms. Numerical based on subnetting are generally asked in the exam and also easier to score. So please focus on these topics. Thank you. For more information, watch our next videos.